Hey everybody, today my brother pushed me, so I'm starting a Kickstarter to put him down. The benefits of killing him would be I would get pushed way less.
Alright, I need you to swear. Fuck. Swear as in promise.
We're twins who everyone thought were lesbians at first.
Yes, we're so in sync.
We can even finish each other's.
Banana.
Damn it, Rem.
So what's the real difference between the two of you?
Nobody really gives a shit about me.
Ow! Jeez, what was that for? It doesn't matter. It's in the past.
Yeah, but it still hurts.
Oh, yes, the past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it. Ah! You see? So what are you going to do?
First, I'm gonna take your stick.
No, not a stick!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Something grabbed me. Something grabbed me.
What grabbed you, bro?
Right underneath your bed.
Bro, there's nothing under my bed. What do you mean? What are you talking
Something grabbed me, bro. Oh my god!
Here, right here. All your needs will be met.
I'm hungry!
In a minute!
Hello, Sarah. Hi, Tiffany. Those shoes look familiar.
I was acting. Or was I?
I think we're dead. Hey, look how Curtis died!
Atoms never touch, and we are made up of atoms, meaning that we have never touched anything, so no, officer, I did not drop-kick that child.
I got some jelly beans. You like jelly beans?